Hey guys, welcome back to Crafter Support. Today I'm going to share with you a fall kit that I bought. It's called My Favorite Fall by Echo Park. It's a paper company and they do paper and they do stickers and cut aparts and things like that. So I wanted to share that with you today because you're going to be seeing me use this a lot this fall. I did put a post up on Facebook and asked you guys what you wanted to see. Some said card making and some said fall crafting, and of course I'm going to be doing both. I just like to reach out to you guys to find out what you're most interested in. So I'm going to flip through this to show you all of the different paper selections that they have and just kind of give you an overview of this kit. I bought it off of Amazon, so if you're interested, I can probably link it below to anywhere. I don't know if it's just on Amazon. I don't know if this is like last year's or this year's, but I will definitely put the link below to any place that you can find it. I don't make money off of like Amazon or anything. This is where I bought it at, was Amazon. Okay, so we're going to start off with the stickers, and these stickers are not like paper stickers. When I say paper, they're not thin like paper stickers. They're more like cardstock stickers. They're really nice. They're nice and brightly colored. They're super cute. These would be great for mailing out friend letters in the fall and just kind of putting them on the envelopes, putting them inside as like a sign-off sticker. Just super cute. So I really like those. And then next we have the paper. So this is probably my favorite piece in all of the paper kit, but look how beautiful that is. Like, I could just frame this and hang it up. I love the owls, of course. I love the little fox and the deer and the squirrels. The little mushrooms are even cute, and the leaves, and then it says Hello Autumn, Thankful Pumpkins. Just the colors are so pretty. Now, Echo Park, their paper is double-sided. So of course on the back it gives you another print, and this one it gives you every page is named, and then it gives you an item number. So this one is Hello Autumn, and it is so pretty. I was kind of bummed because I like both the front and the back of this kit, of this paper, and when that happens, I'm always like, oh, I should have bought two kits so I'd have two of each. But it's okay. We'll make it work. Again, this is not thin paper. It's more if you're used to, how do I explain it? If you're used to like Stampin' Up, like their designer series paper, I feel like that's what this is more like. Very, very beautiful. Okay, so the next one is this. This would be super pretty for a mat on a card, or if you're doing a 12 by 12 scrapbook page, think about how pretty this would be for the fall. Have like a picture right in the center that's matted, either like a hunter green or even just a white mat, and then have a picture of like your kids jumping in the leaves or your puppies in the leaves or whatever. I think that would be so pretty. And the back of this is owls, and this is called Fall Plaid, and then it gives the item number below. So you can get onto the site and you can actually type in like the specific name and item number for individual sheets of their cardstock. And I think you can buy them, or I know you can buy them separately. So you wouldn't have to buy the whole pack if you just like one particular design. Now, I love owls. For those of you who know, I have a business called Miller's Owl Studio, and I do Crafter Support as a DBA, and so they're completely separate, but I do love to have anything with owls in it. I think they're so pretty. And again, there's the front. Next, we have these really pretty leaves and acorns. I think this is beautiful for if you do like any sort of the scrapbooking that does like the 4x6. I can't think of the name of it right now, but they're individual pages that you slide in. I used to do them. I think this would be really pretty for mats inside of those. And I think it's Becky Higgins that does it. I'm pretty sure it's Becky Higgins, but I just thought this was really pretty. And this is what I pictured it in, with like a little mat with a journaling card and then maybe a little tiny picture beside it. And then we have this piece, and this is called the Fall Breeze. And I think it's so pretty. All right, next are pumpkins. I also really like pumpkins, guys. But what I was really happy about was, as beautiful as these pumpkins and leaves are in the background, it looks kind of like a muslin. It's so pretty. When you flip it over, it has these tractors. I'm not a tractor person, so I was really happy that I only liked one side of this. I mean, I'm sure there's still a place for these in some, in using it at some point, but this is just like my absolute least favorite. I just can't see me using that, but definitely this side I will be using. And did I tell you the name of that one? I don't remember now. Oh, this is called Pumpkin Patch. So if you're looking to just look up this page, it's called Pumpkin Patch. Next, we have this one. Okay, so this like tealy green is so pretty with the orange and the brown. I love that they kind of put that all together, and I just think it's super pretty. So this one, again, very pretty for backgrounds. I would think, though, I would use if I was using this on a card, which you guys are going to see some of the things I'm making, obviously, but on a card, something this busy and like all of the design kind of squished into places, I would use this as like maybe a strip or something. I wouldn't probably use this as like a full background. I don't know, but I'm going to be showing you guys. So the back of this one, again, looks like the muslin or the, I can't think of the other name that I was trying to say this was, but I can't think of it. But this piece is called Falling Leaves, and I just think it's so beautiful. So here are the falling leaves, like they're all just falling down into place. This one is so cute. I can picture this as like sending in to different teachers at your school and just cutting them out, punching a hole, and tying a little tag on, maybe a back to school gift or a fall teacher gift that you're planning. But these are really pretty, and I love that they line them all up. I remember buying them before where like there'd be some long ones, some short ones, some thin ones, some big ones, and like you'd have to cut with scissors around them because it was too hard to use your paper trimmer. But these ones will be nice because we'll just slice them down through and across, and we'll have them cut pretty quickly. And then here's the back. Not my absolute favorite, but it's not bad. This one is called Farm Squares. Now this one I can see as a card mat just because of the tinier print that's on it, and I think it's so pretty with that warm tannish colored background. I think it looks so pretty, but the only problem is I really like the back too. I love this green. It's called Autumn Acorns, and I just think it's so pretty. Next, we have more cut aparts. Now these I can see doing card fronts with these, or getting those little frames like at the Dollar Tree and things and putting these in and putting it on a tiered tray, or maybe just making it as a cut apart that you mat the back and then write a little note to a friend, stick it in an envelope and send it off to them for the, just saying hello. And here's the back. These are called 4x4 journaling cards, and they have the cute acorns and the little leaves. And this is a nice tiny design that you could cut out and definitely use this on a card. Next, this one is really close to one of my favorites as well. It has the cute owls and the raccoons and the squirrels and the hedgehog and the deer. It's just really, really cute. I really like this one. And when you flip it over, this is another one that I love that I wish they came in like 2 sets. So you could use the whole 12x12 of this and the whole 12x12 of that, but I might have to order another set of these. But this one is called Fall Friends, and I think it's super cute. The apples and the pumpkins, and oh my goodness, I just love this. But look how cute that is. I love it. It's so cute. All right, then we have this one, which I think is very classy. Like I just could see this like on the front of a card just as is, and then a little sentiment like right in the center. Stickers would go cute on it with a white mat. Very pretty. And then on the back, this is really pretty too. Like I said, a lot of these pages I wish I would have bought like a double set of because it's really pretty. This is called Fall is in the Air, and I might just go on and order my favorites, a couple sets of them. All right, this one is called 3x4 journaling cards. This is the back. not crazy about it. But look at these. These again would go cute on a tier tray. Tuck them into a banner. Tuck them into, if you have a wreath, you could clip these on. You could do just a clippy banner with like some jute twine, some cute clothespins, and clothespin them on to make a banner. Very, very cute, very easy. Cut them apart. They're going to look amazing. And there's our back again. And then this one is our final one. And this is perfect for if you need to make a quick fall card for someone. You could easily just cut these apart and put them on a card mat. And these are 4x6s, I believe. Let me make sure when I tell you that. Yep, 4x6. Yes. So these are 4x6s. They would work perfectly for the front of a card. You have your tent fold, and you have your regular fold card. So that would be perfect. And then here's the back. Again, super cute with the leaves, the little acorns. I really, really like this. So guys, this set is gorgeous. The colors are so pretty. If you haven't ordered from Echo Park before, if you haven't ordered their paper before, I highly suggest that you do. I love paper that everything matches. That's why I was always big on Stampin' Up, because everything matched. However, I hate that I have to wait when I order stuff from like companies like Stampin' Up. I know I shouldn't be that way. There are a lot of great things that they have, but I just hate waiting. I like to be able to go to the store and pick something up. But then again, I had to wait for these as well through Amazon. So it's kind of like, which one's going to take the longest to ship? But definitely this Echo Park brand is really, really nice paper. And I'm always looking for good paper. I'm kind of a paper snob when it comes to, I don't like junky paper. It has to feel right. It has to look right. It has to all have all of the things. So yeah, guys, thanks so much, guys, for following me to the end. If you are new, we'd love to have you join Crafter Support here by clicking the subscribe button and going to the bell to click on the notifications. Also, I don't know if you've heard about our Facebook group. It's growing, and we would love for you to join that as well. And that is just Crafter Support on Facebook. You just request, and then it takes me usually within 24 hours. I get on and I have you join. I would like to see that be very active. Like if you like to share projects that you make, or you like to see projects, I'm trying to build it up that we get to that. But for now, that's everything. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.